Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change Apple ID without losing data. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. Now you can tap on name, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on sign out, and after this you can enter your Apple ID password. Now you can tap on turn off, and this is the way you can sign out of your first Apple ID account. And now you can just simply enter a password to the new Apple ID account, and this is the way you can change Apple ID without losing data. Make sure that you remember the passwords of all of the IDs. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contacts like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.